Hello folks. Welcome to in this concise tutorial where you will discover how to enhance the security of your Word documents. We'll guide you through the process of setting up password protection, a crucial step in safeguarding your sensitive data. Learn to navigate Microsoft Word, create or access your document, and access encryption options. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to confidently protect your Word files. Without further delay, let's dive into. First of all, open your Word file which you want to protect via a strong password. Suppose this is my confidential file and I want to have a password on it. Without that password, nobody should be able to open it, since this is something I want to keep out of reach of everyone. In order to do so, you have to follow the following steps. First of all, click File. Then click Info key. Here you can see Protect Document. You have to click it. This will lead you to various options. From this you got to click the second option. Encrypt with password. Now, you have to set a password in order to protect your confidential Word file. Then OK. Once done, you will get it, as it requires passwords to access this file. Once password set, press Ctrl+S to save your changes. Let me close the file and check whether we are successfully able to protect our file or not. Again, open the file. This time things are not the same, as it asks for a password to open this file. Now, enter the password and it will allow you to access it, otherwise you got to ask for password from the relevant person. As I have the password, let's put that. Boom! Here you go. As we wrap up this tutorial, I hope you found it helpful in securing your Word documents with password protection. Your data's safety is paramount, and with these simple steps, you can keep your content confidential. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. We value your feedback and are here to assist you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech tips, tutorials, and productivity hacks. Stay tuned for our upcoming content.